It's great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. You can't miss today's Shiba Inu news and price prediction if you own 5 million SHIB. Wonderful things are happening all around Shiba Inu, whether it's a price increase, progress on a project, or improvements to the environment. Investors have returned and the purchasing frenzy has resumed. It is anticipated that the token will shortly erupt. Keep watching till the very end because this video is jam-packed with amazing details regarding SHIB and the most recent events. This video will go over the Shiba price prediction and what to do if you have 5 million SHIB. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. With a target price increase of 4.10% in the next 24 hours, SHIB was trading at 0.00001103 USD as of the time of press. The surge in enrollment is due to several announcements that were made late on the Shiba Inu network. This day's price activity has caused the Shiba Inu RSI, which is now trading at 48.34, to fall below the line representing the 14-day average on the daily chart. Shiba Inu's technical analysis shows that the altcoin has a significant chance of falling in value, which has the bulls losing ground on the daily chart. On the daily chart, the green histograms have been steadily increasing in strength, and the MACD line that is trailing the signal line indicates that there is strong selling pressure. Returning to the topic at hand, I say, the history of the ERC20 token starts in 2020. The platform has made major changes, included the DEX, a metaverse platform, and is rapidly moving towards token burning for long-term positioning, notwithstanding its initial bearings. The creators of Shiba Inu, who came to prominence during the 2021 bull market, have launched a number of programs to elevate the status of their once humorous token. Shibers is the Shiba Inu meme currency's metaverse. It will serve as a gathering place for token holders, providing them with access to games, virtual land, and even non-fungible tokens. Developer Eric M. has characterized the Shiba Inu ecosystem's metaverse as a gathering point for the community, tokens, games, Shiba Swap, and much more. It will be hosted on Shib.io and offer 100,595 plots for sale. The metaverse map will feature all of these, with streets named after Shibas. The metaverse land will also be renamed to contribute to the Shib burn, just like the Shiba Shi NFT burns. The Shiba Shi zone is a private section of the metaverse that will be reserved for holders of Shiba Shi NFTs. With more and more businesses accepting the token, its use as a payment method is also on the rise. At the moment, it ranks among the most intriguing and prominent cryptocurrencies in the world. There were 4 quadrillion tokens when it started, but over half of those have already popped. After the crypto winter of 2022, some anticipate that Shiba Inu could hit $0.0001 on the market, an increase of $0.00015 in 2023 and $0.00002 in 2025 are anticipated in the pricing. You can expect this token's ecosystem to take off this year, as it is still in its early stages of development. The community has taken notice of a Shiba Inu prediction made by the AI-powered crypto research firm Telegon. By 2050, the company predicts that Shib will have reached a maximum of $9.61. After Bitcoin's halving in 2025, SHIB is predicted to reach a new all-time high. Since the doggy coin may have lost half its supply due to fires by 2040, experts predict that Shiba Inu will set a new all-time high. Although the projections are quite impressive for anyone holding Shib, it is unrealistic to expect the same outcome due to the n number of events that the digital asset would experience during the decades leading up to the $9 aim. Notably, Shitoshi Kozama said that the cheapest time to buy or sell is during a downturn market. Some investors are furious since the statement came from a well-known team member. The initial supply of 410,369,970,331,037 SHIB has been burned through burn events. Meme coins' value may reach new heights in the future as a result of activities like burn events and developmental milestones. One of the top 100 ETH whales holdings, SHIB, will also help maintain the price stable during times of significant volatility. When the cryptocurrency market recovers in July, SHIB investors want to cash in. Even SHIB has been showing signs of improvement over the past several days. The market cap for Shiba Inu also reached $6 billion not long ago. Because of this, the meme-based coin has been able to compete with competitors like Polygon and Avalanche. A new study backs up the idea that Shiba Inu whale sales have been on the rise. It was established by the distribution of supplies based on addresses that different types of whales have been gathering. In addition, Shib is now one of the 500 largest Ethereum whales in terms of USD. A larger number of whales have recently accumulated Shib tokens, which has allowed for their wider participation. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the Philippines, Coins.ht, has postponed the introduction of Shiba Inu to its platform. Despite earlier claims to the contrary, the exchange has postponed the distribution of the meme currency till July 13. Soon after, the exchange tweeted that Shib would be available for use shortly. The highly regarded burn tracker site Shib has also released an updated version of their burning portal. According to the website, 767 million Shib tokens were issued to inactive wallets in the last day. On top of that, 104 transactions totaling 1.2 billion Shib tokens have been processed in the last week. Shiba Inu is making solid preparations for a potential bull run. During July's mini rally, investors will be hoping to summon growth. It reached its all-time high in November 2021 due to a number of variables on the network. Will it be able to reach its all-time high again? Only time will tell. Satoshi Kozama, the main developer of Shiba Inu, promised 4 new features that will be released this year in a blog post he made in July 2022. One of these is the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, which enables programmers to create decentralized applications, dApps, and other projects that run on the Shiba Inu network. Gas fees will be covered by the new Bone token. In 2022, the Shia stablecoin is set to be released, adding a token that is selected using US dollars to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. As for the fourth development, the Shiba collectible card game, the Treat token will also be available as a reward token when it goes live. This most recent release was hailed by Satoshi Kozama as the pinnacle of collectible card games worldwide. Once Ryoshi took a back seat, the decentralized community of Shiba Inus drove the breed's enormous success. Inventive strategies to increase Shib's visibility, deplete its supply, or provide other use cases have been devised by thousands of investors worldwide. The Shiba Swap portal offers a sneaky APY to people who eliminate Shiba Inu from the platform, and there are a bunch of businesses who do the same. Shiba Inu is protected from centralized developers engaging in pump-and-dump schemes or other risks that investors may face due to decentralization. As a result, the Shiba Inu community becomes a warm and inviting place to live, with social and economic benefits for all members. The most significant issue that Shiba Inus presently face is that their once famous returns are extinct. Shiba Inu lacks both a fundamental use and an inherent buyback and burn mechanism that may sustainably drive up its price. Thus, all investors are in the same position and will need to figure out how to burn tokens or create utilities at their own expense and risk. Evergrow Coin is compared to Shiba Inu because to the fact that developers are immediately compensated for their work. What makes Evergrow Coin stand out among cryptocurrencies is that its core development team receives money using the same process as all investors. BUSD reflections. In order to account for the 14% transaction fee, 8% is immediately transferred as BUSD to all wallets based on their position size. Everyone on the core team has made their Evergrow Coin wallets public. In addition to proving that there is no pump-and-dump scheme, this demonstrates how investors can profit from BUSD's passive revenue. Buying and selling orders are both subject to the transaction tax. All investors limping through a bear market will still benefit from sell orders, and it also helps to deter massive sell-offs. The day came to a close with that.